game changer. Imagine saving money while getting exactly what you want. Pre-built systems often come with hidden costs and unnecessary software, but with a custom build, you choose every component to fit your needs. Start with the latest processors, Intel's Core Ultra or AMD's Ryzen 8000 series. For gamers, a powerful GPU like NVIDIA's RTX 5000 or AMD's RX 8000 is essential. Don't forget the motherboard. It must support your CPU and RAM, which is DDR5 by now. Assembling is where the magic happens. Install the CPU, RAM, and storage carefully, ensuring everything clicks into place. If you run into issues, check your power cables and RAM seating. Access the BIOS to tweak settings for optimal performance. Finally, make it look great with neat cable management and benchmark your system to see how it performs. Your custom PC is ready to unleash its full potential.